What's up, Mopar fam? Hope everybody's doing good out there. I'm on my way over to my test spot where I do some of my street testing. We're just going to make a couple passes and get some more data logs and really just get out of the house, man. I'm kind of tired of sitting around the house, wanted to go out for a drive. So figure I'd get a couple test hits, record them, take you guys with me. Nothing too crazy. But hell yeah, let's go. All right, here goes test hit number 1. Go over here and do a little burnout. Make sure we're logging. All right, here we go. We are spinning pretty bad. Didn't feel too terrible though, but definitely still spinning. Alright, we're going to try it again. Not even going to worry about a burnout right now because it really don't matter. Alright, here we go. I'll try to roll into it. Still has a little bit of sputter when we take off. And doing a burnout it does. So those hits was off the methanol injection. We're trying to tune the air-fuel ratio right now perfect on just the motor. And once we get the motor just dialed in without the meth, then we'll be pretty much good to go. Hell yeah, guys, not too bad. We still got to do a little bit of tweaking, and yeah, I mean it's just kind of a process, guys, to kind of work all the bugs out and get this thing exactly perfect, especially since we haven't been able to actually put it on a track yet and do a full quarter-mile pass. Until we can do that, we're really not going to get it perfect, but we can get it pretty damn close, and that's what we're working on. So Well, that's going to be it today, guys. So, as always, guys, stay safe out there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.